What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of MSI GS66 Stealth gaming laptop. So we are going to talk about its performance, configuration, features, display quality, battery life, keyboard and all of its pros and cons. So here we go. Talking about the design, it is one of the most interesting aspects of MSI GS66 Stealth considering it's a gaming laptop. The design is very minimalistic. Unlike other gaming laptops, there is no flashy lights or logo on the body of MSI GS66 Stealth. The matte finished body looks very premium like a business laptop. And weighing just 2.1 kg, it is pretty lightweight as well. The bezels are very thin and we got 84% screen to body ratio. That is once again quite impressive as well. The laser etched MSI logo on the lid is very well hidden. And once again, because of that, it does not look like a gaming laptop at all. And one very unique thing about the design of GS66 Stealth is that the screen can be rotated up to 180 degrees that usually you won't find in other gaming laptops because this feature is usually available on business laptop. The gaming factor of GS66 is very well hidden and that's why it comes with the naming Stealth. So this is one of those gaming laptops that you can bring to your office, workplace, to a business meeting and nobody will be able to recognize it as a gaming laptop. And this is how the MSI is also promoting GS66 Stealth by saying you can be a worker by day and a gamer by night if you got the MSI GS66. So if you're planning to buy a gaming laptop that you can also use for business purposes and workplace, then MSI GS66 Stealth is one of the best options for you. The device is pretty slim considering it is a gaming laptop. On both sides we got number of ports along with ventilation grills. On the hinge as well we got some ventilation grills. At the bottom we got the massive ventilation grill. Behind this you can see the fan setup of MSI GS66. There are rubber grips provided at the bottom to keep the device elevated for better ventilation, and you can easily open the back panel of GS66 to perform any kind of upgrade on your device. Talking about the hardware specs, the configuration we got here is the Intel Core i7 10th Gen processor along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU. We got 16GB RAM that can be upgraded up to 64GB and we got 1TB SSD storage. Out of 1TB storage, the user available storage is 870GB. There are of course better variants of GS66 available with Intel Core i9 processor and up to GeForce RTX 2080 Super as well, but we are going to talk about the variant we got here in this video. Talking about the performance, as expected, considering the hardware specs of this device, the performance is pretty impressive. In our benchmarking test, MSI GS66 Stealth scored very good points, and also in real life scenario, the performance of GS66 Stealth was pretty nice. On games like Fortnite, it was able to achieve 200 FPS easily, and on more hardcore games like Shadow of the Tomb Raider, it was able to achieve pretty nice 79 FPS, and even the gameplay was very smooth all the time. Other than the hardware specs, another contributing factor in the nice performance of MSI GS66 Stealth is the Cooler Boost Trinity Plus, that is the cooling mechanism of MSI on this device consisting of 3 fans and 7 heat pipes. It comes with total 67 fan blades and each of them are just 0.1 mm thin. That is claimed to be world's thinnest fan blade design in a gaming laptop. As we have seen, we got plenty of ventilation grills on this device, so the cooling mechanism works pretty well, but it gets quite noisy as well at its highest speed. But if you use the balanced mode from the Dragon Center, then the device will be pretty silent most of the time if you do not put lots of load on the device. The device is pretty capable for VR stuff as well. In our VR benchmarking test, the device was able to pass the minimum requirements and achieved very good score as well. So if you're planning to buy a gaming laptop for the VR purposes, then GS66 Stealth is what you can consider as well. Talking about the display, we got a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 300Hz refresh rate. The display quality is pretty nice, and depending on what kind of games you play, you will enjoy this high refresh rate for sure. It comes with MSI TrueColor that allows you to customize your viewing experience on GS66 Stealth, And using the provided Thunderbolt 3 and HDMI port, you can even connect multiple displays to have an even better gaming experience. Talking about the connectivity, we got the combination of killer LAN and killer Wi-Fi 6 on GS66 Stealth. We also got the Bluetooth 5.1. On the left hand side, we got the charging port, a USB Type-C Thunderbolt port, one HDMI 2.0 port, and a USB Type-A 3.2 port. On the right hand side, we got the killer LAN, two more USB Type-A USB 3.2 ports, a USB Type-C 3.2 port, and a combo jack for earphones. So in terms of connectivity, we are fully served on GS66. To upgrade the storage and RAM, all you need to do is open the screws on the back and you will find two slots for M2 SSD and two slots for DDR4 DRAM. We got two upward firing Dyno Audio dual wave speakers on MSI GS66 Stealth, and the performance is very impressive. The audio output is very loud, and also the audio quality in terms of high, lows and mids is quite impressive as well. It also comes with high-res certified dynamic audio that you can use to improve your listening experience in many different ways on GS66 Stealth. Using the dynamic sound sharing feature, you can even share the audio you are listening on your GS66 Stealth with other people using the Bluetooth headphones. MSI GS66 Stealth comes with a 99.9 watt-hour battery that makes it is the world's highest capacity battery in a laptop that you can use in a flight check-in bag. Talking about the battery life, like any other gaming laptop, this must not be considered as very great, but because of the super high capacity battery, it performs a bit better compared to other gaming laptops for sure. Especially when you are using it for other purposes like office work, watching movies, etc. instead of playing games. Once you start playing games, this is the pretty much same story. The battery will go down quickly and you will have to use the 180 watt power adapter provided to charge the battery of GS66 Stealth. And if you want, you can also use the Thunderbolt provided to charge the battery of the device. Talking about the keyboard, the GS66 Stealth comes with the SteelSeries per key or GB keyboard that provides a very nice experience on this device. You can use many predefined lighting templates, or if you want, you can even customize the lighting of every single key as the name suggests. The keyboard also supports lots of different applications and games and interact with them in different manner. The keyboard can be used to display game state information, etc. to have a very nice gaming experience. The 1.5 mm key travel is nice for both typing and gaming experience, and the keyboard comes with some dedicated keys for the gaming purposes. So we got the MSI Crosshair, Dragon Center, Cooler Boost and the SteelSeries engine keys to quickly change the profiles and settings. Now talking about the software based features, MSI Crosshair gives you many different options to use when it comes to Crosshair for better aiming while playing first person shooter games. You can even customize the color and position of the crosshair on the screen just like all other MSI's gaming laptop. This device also comes with Dragon Center that provides lots of features especially for the gaming purpose. It comes with gaming mode that you can use for one-click optimization, as it helps in gaming by freeing up the memory, switching the audio to Nahimic's gaming mode and also the display to the True Colors gamer mode. You can also use the game highlights feature to record the best moments and highlights of your gameplay. We also got the MSI app player on GS66 Stealth that allows you to play all your favorite Android games on your laptop, bringing the performance enhancement and better refresh rate compared to your smartphone. Under the battery master, you can select the battery charging profile that you would like to use on your MSI GS66 Stealth depending on your necessity. And since this is a gaming laptop, talking about the streaming part, it comes with killer Wi-Fi and killer LAN that provides better connectivity by switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connection. It also suggests better access point and when you should perform a network upgrade. Using the Killer Control Center, you can easily customize and manage your internet network for the best experience while playing games on this device. The Killer Control Center comes with the Killer Intelligence Engine that smartly detects the network traffic and optimizes the speed for your device by managing the bandwidth for it. Overall, MSI GS66 Stealth is an amazing gaming device in terms of performance, design and also features. And the best thing is that you can even use it as your business and workplace laptop. The 300Hz refresh rate screen is great for playing high FPS games. The overall performance is nice and you will be able to play latest high-end titles on this device without facing any issue. The Stealth Trees keyboard is very nice and comes with lots of customization and features. The battery life is also good and better compared to other gaming laptops. And when it comes to connectivity, we got lots of slot ports, and the killer Wi-Fi 6 with the killer Double Shot Pro and the killer LAN will also help you in having a nice gaming experience. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.